What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to professionally make a backlash. Alright, so what you're going to want to do first is just grab your bait. Okay?
Alrighty.
So any bait. Reel it on up to the top. Grab your bait caster.
Oh my
And that.
gosh.
Alrighty, guys. That right there is a nice, clean backlash on my friend's brand new reel. Hopefully I can get this out. I gotta go reline this probably. Wish me luck. Don't do this. And that is how you professionally make a backlash on a reel.
Yeah, there's no way this thing's coming out. It's like dug inside of it. That sucks.
Little haircut.